Hi, this is Jim, and it's my pleasure to introduce our factory 3F to you here today. And you can look around. And 3F is a professional 24 years factory of electrical copper wire, insulation sleeve, and cable ties from Shenzhen, China. And now we have about 500 employees. We main produce PVC wire, XLPE wire, Teflon wire, and scenic wire. We also have UL, VDE, GET, and CSA certifications suitable for different market and products. Okay, come here. Here is our warehouse. You can see we have a lot of wire in stock now. So why need to put so many different sizes and colors in stock? Because we have over 2,000 clients under service every month. This is a black color. We have a very good quality. And we also have a brown color, red color, and a white color. Okay, come here. This wire is ready for delivery. And okay, come here. Come in. In here, you can see very clearly. We have different sizes and different colors. Yeah. If you are interested in our company, please feel free to contact us. We hope we can have a long-term cooperation. Okay.